Welcome everybody, our day 10 of our challenge, Down Dog Yoga Challenge. Welcome, welcome.
Hi. Hi, good to see you. Thank you everybody for staying with us and doing the Downward Dog Yoga Challenge. Hope you're feeling well and looking forward to another session.
Cool. So let's get yourself ready. Now with your legs wider, bring your arms to your side and you're going to try reach side to side. So inhale center and exhale to your left. Inhale, slowly exhale. Going to feel the stretch left and right side. It's a great exercise to bring mobility in your spine, to stretch muscles in your lower back. So if you've got any problems, stiff muscles, pain, that's a good stretching for you. Perfect. And now right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale to your right. Try to relax your left shoulder, relax your left arm as we're stretching your right side. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. Perfect. Now left arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly relax, lift your arms, slowly shoulders back and down. And one more, inhale, slowly exhale. Lift your shoulders and relax. One more, perfect. Okay, now step to the top of your mat, feet with your hips width apart, inhale, arms up. As you exhale, slowly fold forward, bend your knees, hips low, and slowly roll up. Inhale, arms up, and slowly exhale, reach down. Two more. Feel the stretch back of your legs, glutes, lower back. And now hands on the floor. Bring your left knee. And when you inhale, lift your arms. Slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. So you're squeezing glutes on your left side. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale. And one more. Okay, bring your hands. Left foot forward. And again, roll up. Deep inhale. And slowly exhale. One more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Hands on the floor. Now with your right knee down. Lift your arms. Inhale. Slowly squeeze your shoulder blades. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Perfect. And one more. Okay, both hands on the floor. Now tuck your toes under and move to the down dog position. Inhale, slowly, knees down, and exhale, down dog again. And a few more. If you're feeling you've got stronger upper body, you can continue. If you need to take a break, that's okay. I'm going to hold down dog and let's march. Stretching one leg at a time. Still don't worry about straight legs or if your heels touching the floor. It's all about feeling the stretching. That's it. Yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. It's all about finding your own adaptation option. And slowly on your floor again. Left leg forward. Right hand on the floor. It's going to twist your left side. Inhale, reaching up with your left arm. Slowly exhale back to center. And 2 more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Last one. Perfect. On your 4. And now right foot next to your left hand. So you can reach up your right arm. Nice twist. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Perfect. Okay, on your 4, place your forearms front of you and let's rock your body back and forth. Inhale forward, with your abs engaged, and exhale, push back to really open your chest, stretch your glutes, but also build the strength in your core, your abs. Excellent. And now slowly, let's lay down your belly. You can stay on your forearms if you see a position, that's okay. Maybe someone is more flexible, more strength in your upper body, your core, so you can stay higher. Or if you're still okay, try with your hands closer to your chest, your ribcage area. So be able to lift your hips off the floor. Okay, so you can try where are you at the moment and just be patient, respect. Okay, if you're feeling anything in your lower back, better to stay in the previous option. Inhale and slowly exhale. Perfect. Forearms on your knees to slowly change position. Down dog, child pose. Rock your hips side to side. And now going to stretch your arms in front of you. On your 4 and down dog right now. Still marching on the spot. Checking where is your head. We try to bring your head between your arms. Perfect. And slowly on your 4, forearms, lay down your belly. And again, your own variation, staying lower or even lifting your hips. Inhale, slowly exhale, just one more time. Beautiful. Forearms is the safe way, and slowly move back to child pose one more time. And slowly let's roll up, lift your arms, slowly shoulders back and down. One more. Inhale, slowly exhale, relax your shoulders. Okay, so thank you. So that's it for today. Our day, 10 days now, so that's amazing. Another 4, and you're going to progress with the length of the session and a little bit more down dog and up dog. It's all about takes your own time and just adapt what you can do or what you still need to improve. Okay, so please don't push yourself too much. We're doing 30 days, but everybody is going to be on different level. But amazing thing is we're doing together, and that's the beauty of this stuff. So yeah, how are you, Fiona? How are you feeling?
Great, thank you, Alicia, and thank you everybody for joining us and for supporting Birmingham Dogs Home. And we'll see you again. Thank you so much. Yeah,
of course. Yeah, another session tomorrow. So thank you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Any comments you can just leave below the video, and yeah, be happy to see you tomorrow. Bye for now.
Bye.